Hey guys, this is Ulrine Gaming from server 1051 and we got a countdown for Meteorite Iron War. As you can see, astronomers predict a giant meteorite will collide with war zone 105, a capital at 25/4/19. Scientists say the meteorite contains valuable resources which could greatly affect. Reports suggest war zone dash dash and others are eyeing the meteorite, expect a fierce battle. Stay tuned for details. So you can see we got an asteroid falling soon. So you can see the countdown in here, like 4 days, and the server which gonna be 1045, and the participants, you can see there are 4 participants, and we got a high yield area which indicated red, and low yield area which will be in yellow shade. So there are lots of valued boxes chests to earn. Like we can see, we got lots of good rewards like honor points, diamonds, hero shards, and exclusive weapon shards, premium chip material. You can see 100 premium chip materials you getting on the last box, and there are huge rewards also. Give that meteorite iron collected after the event starts. As you can see, there are how to get meteorite iron. So they can be obtained by contaminated land during the event. Teleporting your base to the contaminated land inside the crater will generate 40 meteorite iron per second. Teleporting from outside the crater doesn't give you any points. Meteorite debris earns 40 meteorite iron per second when gathering. Instantly receives 300 meteorite iron when finished. And then there is crystals. You can earn 80 meteorite iron per second when gathering. Once gathering is complete, you will instantly receive 1.5k meteorite iron, and the crystals will be transported back to your base. Base gains crystal generates 30 meteorites iron per second at your base. If the base is breached, some meteorite crystals will be lost, but the collected meteorites iron will remain safe in your base. So you need to just collect it till your base gets breach. And there is a stellar course, uh, earns 160 meteorite iron per second when gathering. Once gathering is completed, you will instantly receive 6000 meteorite iron, and the stellar cores will be transported back to your base. Base gains stellar core generates 120 meteorite iron per second. If the base is breached, some stellar cores will be lost, but collected materials irons remain safe. So you can content these all like contaminated land debris and core stellars etc to gain points. You can see the alliance ranking once the round start. There are 2 rounds, and you can see individual ranking from here. Okay, so meteorite iron war have I button that will give you event stage information, like preview stage. From Tuesday to Thursday, the event enters the preview stage, showing the location of the first meteorite and the target war zone to contest. When the war zone duel event starts, the meteorite iron war will not be available. Contest stage, there will be contest stage at the local times given in here. You can see and check the timings. Each round lasts 30 minutes. Earn as many as meteorite iron points as you can. The leaderboard is based solely on the points collected within the rounds by individuals or alliances. Then there will be a prep stage, like the time between two contest stages will show the leading point of the next meteor and the war zones aiming to seize it. Then there is a display stage. Once all contest stages are complete, the display stage begins when individual and alliance leaderboard rewards are settled. So that's the event stage, and you can earn points. I have previously told you about that's contaminated land, meteorite debris, meteorite crystal, and stellar cores. And then there are reward section. You can check all the information from that I button about all earning points, and you can earn the rewards like rare meteorite resource used to unlock event chest. Then there's alliance ranking. During the display stage, rewards will be issued based on your alliance highest ranking in the event, and all the alliance member will receive the rewards. Individual ranking. During the display stage, individual rewards will be sent based on the commander's best ranking across all event rounds. So you can score individually and for alliance. And when you click on the go button, you will go to the war zone that gonna hit by the meteor. As you can see, the indicator is given here like falling soon, 3 days, 19 hours, and so on. So you can see that's the indication for the 1045, which is gonna be the war zone for meteorite war, meteorite iron war. And that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe and press the bell icon.